Hi guys, and welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be making the most stunning ultra modern bouquet to excel our businesses. So I've got a few things together and I'll show you what I've got. I have got some pink bunny tails, two large headed white hydrangeas, we've got some foliage filler, we've got some feathers, we have got some gypsophila, some pampas, we've got peacock feather, and we've got 5 roses, 5 stems of sprayed gold leather leaf, we've got some sprayed grevillea and some dried pink ruscus. So what I was going to say with these are so cool. So it's like an animal print dried palm, and I will tell you how we're going to do those. So I'm going to take this one and then I'll show you how we convert it into the gold and black, so it's like animal print, and it is so cool. So obviously guys, this is silver, so we need to base layer it with our gold spray. My favourite is the Oasis spray, 24 karat gold. The pigment is absolutely insane. Only needs like 1 layer. So here goes. And then I like to do the back as well. Okay, brilliant. And then we just need to leave that to dry. And in the meanwhile, I'll show you how I do the rest of the bouquet. So first of all, we need to prep everything. So I haven't wired my feathers yet. So let's get this bag open. I get medium-sized feathers, little tiny diddly ones. They are pretty annoying. So about that size, they look so cool already. I get 3, put them together, and then get to the bottom of the quill. I get a 50 centimetre gauged wire, then make a hook like this, put it on the bottom of the quill like that, and then just wrap around the quill, and voila, it's nice and secure, and that can go into the bouquet. I like having a long wire, so then it goes all the way down, so it sort of tucks into the stems and it's nice and secure. I think I'll do 4 of those, so I'll show you just one more time. So grab 3 together, grab the bottom of the quill, make a hook, put the hook on to the quill here, and then wrap around nice and securely like that. Okay, so I'm going to do 2 more of those, and then in the meantime I'm going to get my pink foliage. Make sure that you take any excess foliage off there, so you just have a nice stem that's going to poke out into the bouquet. So just take those bits off, and then with our dried ruscus, we don't need that many stems on one branch, so I'll just get my scissors and just cut the excess bits off. You can pick those up later, put them into bunches, wire them and put them into other bouquets just to add a bit more fanciness to another bouquet, because it will just be a waste. Cut that bit down. We've already sprayed our leather leaf, so just like I did the dried palm leaf, just spray each one of your leather leaves individually. And yeah, we've got 4 white roses and a pink rose, because they're all I had left for this tutorial. So yeah, and then we have our we need to wire this, get rid of those feathers. Oh. And exactly the same principle. Make a hook, go to the bottom of the quill, wrap around nice and tightly like that, and then that can sit into the back of the bouquet, but I'll show you where I'm going to position that. So yeah, I think we've got everything prepped now. I'm going to do the other 2 feathers, and then I'll BRB. Right, ladies and gents, let's get into it. So I'm going to start off with my hydrangea, and we're going to be using the spiral technique. I always use the spiral technique. Start off with the hydrangea. I'm going to grab my gyp. I've got one stem of gyp, and then put it together like that. Use 3 roses, 1, 2, 3, and then the other hydrangea next to that one. Then I'm going to add in a bit of foliage, 1 on this side, 1 at the back, and then twist. And as you can see, all of the stems are spiraling, so make sure each stem goes in at the same angle as you're putting every other stem, otherwise it's going to be mixed matched. Then I'm going to add my other 2 roses in the front. I'm going to add my grevillea to the sides, I think each side like that. Or if you want to add stuff into the centre, you can just go through and feed it through. Find the bottom, oh that's the wrong one, find the bottom and then just pull down, and as you can see that's going through more central instead of at the side there. I'm then going to add some bunny tails. So I like to use a couple at a time, just pop them around the bouquet like so. These are really fiddly buttonholes, bunny tails, flipping buttonholes. That's for another video. Okay, so yeah, just feed them around the outskirts of the bouquet, and that's how it's looking so far. I'm then going to probably add my dried ruscus. Now, 1 on that side, 1 on the other, like so. Then I'm going to feed some feathers through, so you can just go through the centre with the wire like that, and it sits nicely in and it's really secure. I'm going to put 1 around this side, and then I think I'm going to put a couple at the back. When you do your bouquets, you will know where your back is and where's your front. It just comes naturally to you. So that is my back, this is my back here, that's my front. Right, and then I'm going to add this beauty to the back again. Or should I put it here? Ooh, I might put it in the centre here. How gorgeous does that look? And then I like to put my pampas at the back as well, so it adds a bit of height and drama. Okay, so then we are going to put this one in first. I'm going to put that here because I can see a sort of gap there. We'll make sure that your feathers don't fall down. Oh, please stay. Okay, so it's looking like this now. Right, and then I will add my leather leaf round. So we're just going to base the edges with the leather leaf. If I am going too fast, you can also pause and rewind, whatever you fancy. Okay, so there's the leather leaf edge. Fabulous. So we're then going to tie the binding point off with a bit of ribbon or a string, whatever that you have, twine. So just tie it off in a knot where our hands was on the binding point, tie it in a knot, cut the excess off, and then I'll show you now how to make the leopard print dried palm with the palm leaf we had just sprayed on. Okay, I'm going to kneel down because the camera needs to be pointed there to show you what I do. But I've just got an animal print stencil from Amazon. Just put animal print stencil in and then you can order one. I think they're like a £5. But yeah, so basically, I hope you can hear me whilst I'm doing this, but I basically get my palm sphere, put the stencil on, and I'm going to use pinks because it matches more with the bouquet, so you can use any colour. And then I just put it down on here and just spray. Okay, so the pink that I used didn't really come out that well, but yours will come out sort of like more easy than that spray did. But here it is. I think it looks really cool. It doesn't particularly matter much that there's not like much at the bottom because it's just going to go in the bouquet. You won't be able to see all of it and it's fine. I did actually take this sort of gold and black one out because I decided that didn't match. So I'm just going to put this one at the back and it's nice and dry now. Okay, like so. Oh my gosh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Then we just need to take another bit of string, chop it down, and then secure that palm to the binding point as well. And how simple yet effective was that? Right, and then in this tutorial, I'm not going to show you how to do the wrapping one because earlier I did a wrapping one which has actually been uploaded already because I'm having a really productive day. So to see how to wrap the bouquet, go and watch that after this one has finished. So here goes. I think I'm going to pull that one down there, make sure everything is sort of even throughout the bouquet. Oh yes, stunning. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this video was super duper helpful. If it was, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It makes our channel grow so we can do more tutorials like this one. And don't forget to follow us on socials. It's at Gems Floral Studio with a J. And we'll see you in the next one.